New Beauty Network is making it easier for cosmetic procedures. There's a new app on Apple TV that can answer all of your questions without leaving your couch. It's called the Plastic Surgery Network, and it offers surgical solutions for any area of the body that you are hoping to change. But now we have to ask the question, is it safe? Board certified cosmetic and plastic surgeon Dr. Stephen Davis here to give us his insight, the pros and cons. So this is what it lets me know.
Yeah.
You know, when you get your Apple phone, it always says, do you want developers to know what you're doing, or do you want to send them feedback?
Yeah.
So they're letting us know that people care about this, and they're making a bigger platform for it. So we're taking some picture, or a look at the app. What do you think? First thoughts?
Well, first of all, it's great that plastic surgery is as exciting to everyone as it is to me as a plastic surgeon.
Because it used to be so taboo.
It has been for years, and now we're really just taking it out there and letting people see that, oh my God, you can do this, I can do that. It's great. So I think from that standpoint, I think it's fantastic. What I think we all have to really worry about at times is, are people going to take this to a level where they're going to think, wow, this is almost like a life hack?
Right.
If I just learned about how to do this, God forbid, am I going to try to do something like that on my own? Because we've actually had patients that have done like a do-it-yourself thing.
Right.
After like looking on YouTube and finding out how to do something. They'll order products from out of the country and they'll do something crazy. So to do what we're doing, which is patients that want to come in for a certain procedure. We just had a woman call from North Carolina.
Okay.
So I Skyped with her, and I said, okay, show me the area that you want me to work on, and let's just see if you're even a good candidate for it or not. So doing something like that, I think, is a great idea, and this app is going to allow us to really do things like that.
Because if you think about it, you're taking a lot of time with consultations, with people just coming into your office, sitting in the waiting room, waiting to see you, just to ask a simple question.
Right.
So this could help sort of relieve some time for you.
It does, and it helps navigate people into like an area of their focus, because a lot of times people are all confused with all the information that's out there. It's kind of like, oh my God, like, is Botox the right thing, or should I get some filler? And now that we have something like this, I think it's fabulous. The question becomes, how do you use that information? Because, you know, the last thing that's going on right now is you can get information on almost anything.
Right.
It's what do you do with the information once you have it, and how do you do it safely?
And that's what they say. I think they say they want it to be designed to increase communication, comprehension, and of course, be the ultimate guide through an exceptional plastic surgery experience.
Right, and I think that's the key, is that you want to get this information, and then you want to make sure that you're jiving with your plastic surgeon too. So that consultation, in a lot of ways, is a way for you to get comfortable with this person that you're going to allow to do an operation or an injection on you. It gives you a consultation with that person. So I don't think it's supposed to take the place of the consultation.
Okay.
I think it's supposed to give you enough information so that when you walk into the practice, you're really like on your game, so that you can have a very well-informed consultation.
Because you might watch the video and you might see someone and think, I'm a candidate for lipo, but then you could learn from watching the video, maybe I'm a better candidate for cool sculpting, and I don't need the lipo.
You're right.
So it could be helpful in that way.
Absolutely, and I tell you, you know, from my standpoint, when I have patients that come in and tell me what they want to have done, I know right away that they've been all over the internet and they've seen stuff, but they don't really know that that's the right thing for them.
Okay.
And that's where I think the good consultation is supposed to say, okay, let me give you all the different ways that it can help you specifically, because of the way you look, your body, habitus, things like that.
Really quickly, I have to ask while you're here, because I was reading something the other day about there's an uptick in plastic surgery procedures between the holidays and March.
Absolutely.
Tell me why. Is it because people have so much more time off work for recovery, or is it we're bundled up and we can cover up? What is it?
Two things.
Okay.
The first thing is everybody wants to get ready for Christmas and the holidays.
Okay.
So that's the first thing, that they're coming in right away to get this done. The second thing is they do have time, and instead of going away on vacation, they go, you know what? I'm going to use that time to do this procedure I've been wanting to do for a really long time. So that's the uptick. And it's also, you know, everybody keeps thinking ahead. So they're going, okay, Christmas is coming up.
Right.
Then it's going to be summertime.
Right.
So I got to get something done soon.
Ah, so if I get my breast augmentation now, they'll be perfect for swimsuit season.
And now you're wearing a lot of clothes. It's getting cold out there, so you're wearing sweaters and things. So if you did have a little procedure
and you
on
don't
your
want
body,
anyone to know,
no one's really going to know.
You can hide it.
That's
so you're going to be a busy man for the next few months.
Absolutely.
That's good news. Thank you, Dr. Davis.
Thank you.